Hey, it's Spencer X. Smith. I've been a big fan of my backpack, my Bolt backpack from Waterfield Designs for a long time, and it travels with me at least a few times a month on a plane and does a really great job. So when I heard that SF Bags from San Francisco had come out with this new thing called the Developer's Case, I was really excited because if you're at all like me, the inside of your backpack is a little haphazard as far as how it's organized, and so when I heard about this Developer's Case, I was really pumped. So just got it here. And it's the crimson red one. Now the idea behind this is to consolidate a bunch of stuff that I have that's in disparate areas right now. So within my backpack, I carry an external mouse and mouse pad. I have this great gear case from a place where I gave a speech, with no offense to this, but this is going to be a lot cooler. And within here I have a lot of the cords, random stuff that I use. External battery pack here, and then some other random stuff. So let's see how this fits. First of all, like everything else Waterfield, this is just looking already to be super, super high quality. Feels just beautiful. This red leather is really, really supple, very nice. The inside, the pockets are wonderfully soft, and the zippers themselves really, really feel nice and very solid and very sturdy, and you can tell that it's waterproof here. So when I open the Developer's Case here, what I have is a lot of options as far as organization goes. So you can probably see the gold backing here, which matches my inside of my backpack, which may seem kind of trivial at first, but when you're in a dark area, like when I'm in a lot of airports and you're trying to look into your bag, this reflects light really well. You can probably see it in the video here where the light really shines. You can see very easily inside of it. And we have the same thing here with the Developer's Case. Now what we have is a couple pockets here for organizing what it looks like to be cables, maybe batteries, anything that might be an AC adapter or something like that. And it also has a pass-through port right here, which I'm guessing then you put something that would charge a phone in here, pass it through, and then inside of here, yep, there's the hole that comes through right there. So you can pass a wire through there, simply have your phone here on the outside and have it charged very easily. Now the other thing I really like so far, just looking at this, is these mesh pockets here are great for holding little random stuff. And by that I mean, I have this inside here right now, this external battery pack. I can just throw it in here, and that's the place that I know it is. So where I imagine this really playing out for me, and maybe it could for you as well, is you can organize it, you throw it in your backpack, and when you get to where you want to go, you pull out your laptop and everything else, and everything that you need to do your work is right here, which is really fantastic. So let's keep going through here. We got the two zipper pockets, as I said, with the pass-through, a couple mesh pockets here, and then a nice strap system here for larger stuff. So I'm thinking right off the bat, I probably have my external battery pack here, because right now it's just kind of, it's tough to know where I'm going to carry it. So that fits really well right there. It's not going to stay in place, and it probably shouldn't because it's a really, really heavy backpack, but I know that at least it lines up as to where I want it, so it can stay right there. As they promised, as Waterfield had promised, they have this wonderful mouse pad that matches the outside of the case here. So when you're traveling, you no longer have to be like me and carry an external mouse pad that's seen many, many better days. And when you are doing your work at a remote location, you can just put down the mouse pad, do your work, you can have a glass top or whatever, and go from there. What else do we see in here? Oh, you see two really cool areas back here. Let me show you what this looks like. This right here with these straps can also accommodate some larger stuff. So if we're thinking, you know, the external battery pack, again, one thing I didn't mention that I always carry in my backpack is an AC adapter for my laptop. So that would fit there. And actually, now that I look at this external battery pack would fit really well right there, and it stays tied down. So you can see it's not moving at all. So really good, high quality straps right there. Very, very soft lining there as well. But I know that if I just take this stuff and get it out of here, which is a little bit tough to manage sometimes, and put it in this Developer's Gears case, it's going to be very easy to figure out what I have, and as importantly, just as importantly, when I pack up, I know if I can just do a quick glance, I can see if I'm visually missing anything, so I don't do that dreaded, you know, leave behind an adapter or a cable thing. So, so far it looks fantastic, and if you're in the market for a case that can carry all of your gear and really makes a statement at the same time as to the beauty of it, I would highly ask you to consider the Waterfield case, the Developer's Case from SF Bags. Thanks for tuning in.